How to make a button scroll to a section in Wix Studio. So in order to make a button scroll to a particular section, we first need to head over to our Wix website editor. So into this, I have in here this particular button. So this button prompts user to get tickets. So this typically means that it is linked to the event section. In order to do this, we first need to head over and click onto this button and click onto this link option. Now in here, we can actually go over to a section or part of the page. You can do so by clicking onto this anchor option, or you can choose in here this page option as well. So into this part, let's just choose in here this anchor and choose which page it will be added. So into this part, I'll choose this home page and choose which it can be anchored. I'll choose in here this venue features and click on that. So you might be wondering, how did I do that? So what you can do is you can just head over to that particular part of the page, which is on my case, the venue features. You can just head over and click on the blank space on that and click onto this plus icon. And then from in there, you can just add an anchor by clicking onto this and then searching for an anchor and adding it right here. And it will be recognized as an anchor that you can link to a button. So that's how you make a button scroll to a section in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.